Do you panic as soon as a trade moves against you? This is exactly what you need to hear today. Hey guys, this is Hamza with Trading Secrets. Hope you all are doing fine. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise, you name it, I've done it. Right here on this channel, I'm going to be sharing my journey with you all so you don't have to learn it the hard way. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Guys, if you're getting emotional during trading and you're panic selling and you're exiting the trades early or you're just holding the bag, you need to know how to control your emotions. This is a skill that you got to teach yourself, and it's going to come with practice, right? There's no shortcut. You just got to make sure that you have a clear plan when you're entering, because when you don't have a clear plan, guys, you're not going to know when you're going to take profit. You don't know when you're going to get stopped out. You don't even know why you're even entering the trade, right? Because you don't have a clear path. You don't have a clear goal that, hey, I want to enter the trade, I want to start scaling in right at these levels, and then once I get to 10%, I start scaling out. I'm taking 10% profit. If it's going down, I'm scaling out. Even if it's going up, I'm scaling out, right? So you got to scale in and scale out, right? For example, if you're investing $100 in a trade and you're up 20%, now just sell maybe 25% of it, right? And then if it's moving another 10% up or down, just sell another 25 or 50%. And then the last 25%, maybe you can leave it for a longer, maybe for a longer jump. Or if it comes down, just have a stop loss at your entry so you don't lose the profits that you made, right? That's just one strategy that you guys can do. But obviously, you guys got to decide for yourself what strategy works for you. But once you decided, be confident, stick to the strategy, right? Don't be confused like, hey, it's going up, and then you're opening stock twits and you're thinking, oh, it's going to go up another 100%. It's going to the moon. We've all been we've all experienced this at some point, that you're in profits, and then you don't take the profits, it comes down. You're just looking at all these people talking about, just pumping this thing that it's going to keep going up. Nothing goes up forever, right? And even if it does, it's okay. As long as you're in profits, there's no shame in taking profits, right? Even if you take profits early, that's fine. That's better than just waiting and then at the end just losing. So you can scale in, scale out, and then as soon as you think that you've hit the goal, just get out of the trade, guys. Just get out of the trade, or just take most of the money off the table. That way, you're not just going to be trading emotionally. You're not going to be looking at the charts all the time. Because the thing is, when you're all in on a trade and then it's up and you've not taken some money off the table, you've not taken some profits off the table, you're just thinking emotionally, and you're just stressing out, guys. Health is wealth. You need to preserve your health. A stock, if it keeps going up, that's fine, guys. Just leave some skin in the game. But take some profits once you have them. It's better than just watching it go up and go down, because that's what emotional traders are doing every day, right? That's what I've done, and I've learned the hard way that when you have profits, you take them, right? I've had trades which have gone from 10,000 to 20,000 to 80,000, and then I watch them come all the way down to zero. Guess what, right? That can happen, right? So don't think that don't think that something is going to keep going up. Don't think don't be greedy, guys. Bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. Remember that, guys. You got to remove the by planning everything before you're entering, right? And then if you're risking too much, you just gotta manage your risk. Just make sure the trades that you're doing, don't go all in. Just manage it, right? If you have $1,000 and you're going $500 on one trade, that's just not smart. Don't go more than 10% off your account value. Your account value on one trade. So even if a few trades go south, you're still in the game. And then you got to trust your system, because when you're switching strategies, you don't have a set strategy. You're just gonna be like all over the place, right? And then once you're experienced, you keep repeating the same process, because it's the same process, guys. You wake up, you eat, you go to sleep. It's the same process. Once you keep doing it long enough, you're gonna start trusting the process, and then you'll be fine, guys. But if you're just thinking like, hey, I want to make money like right now, right at this time, I want to make everything, It's just not possible. It's easier to make 10% from 10 trades instead of making 100% from one trade, guys. So be patient. Take the small wins. They all add up. I can assure you, they all add up. Eventually, they all add up, right? Don't think as a short-term trader. Think of it as a long-term, because it's just gonna accumulate, right? 10% a day, 10% the next day, 10% the next day, 10%, 10%. It's all gonna compound, right? It's gonna keep adding. So, guys, create a plan, stick to it, trust the process, guys. I can promise you, the calmer you are, the longer you can hold, and the better your results are gonna be, guys. Guys, if you find any value in the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time.